here.
Wow! That's amazing!
Thank you.
Ooh, a three-eyed sock monster! Awesome, robot!
Oh, how marvelous this time of year is. Welcome, Whoville, to the annual tree lighting ceremony. How spectacular are these ornaments?
Look what I made, everybody. It's a Christmas dragon. It came to me in a dream. Oh, man.
Hey, Bartholomew.
Hey there, Miss Who.
Here you go!
Got it.
Find a good spot for it.
There it goes.
Now, let's get ready to flip that switch and light up the sky.
Oh, no. Not on my watch, you don't.
See you guys soon. I'm gonna go find Rupert.
Okay, have fun. Bye, say bye.
Here you go. I hope your big brother gets what he deserves.
Hey, Rupert, how's business?
Good. What I can't sell, I can always eat.
I need to talk to you about something really important.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. All right, check this out, Rupert. I'm gonna stay up on Christmas Eve this year and meet Santa Claus.
Whoa, that is crazy.
Yeah, I really gotta talk to him.
About what?
Well, it's really personal. But I'm going to tell you because you're my best friend. It's about my mom. She works all night and takes care of us all day. And it just isn't fair. She acts like she's fine. But I know it's really hard for her. So I figured if anyone could fix that, it'd be Santa.
Wow. And I just asked him for a turtle.
Here we go.
Oh, it's starting!
Okay, Whoville, it is time to light this beautiful tree.